What would happen if artificial intelligence handled most of your daily work? Emails, writing, research, design, even video creation. For the next 7 days, I decided to run a strange experiment. I attempted to replace almost all of my daily tasks with AI tools. Instead of doing the work manually, I would let artificial intelligence handle it. Every email would be written by AI. Every piece of content would be generated by AI. Research would be done by AI. Even planning my day would be assisted by AI. But there was one rule. I could only guide the tools. I could not do the work myself. The goal was simple: to see whether AI could realistically replace the majority of a normal workday. Some people believe AI will replace jobs. Others believe AI is just another productivity tool. So I wanted to test it for myself. Could AI actually do real work? Or would it fail when faced with real tasks? Over the next 7 days, I tested multiple AI platforms, including ChatGPT, Canva, Pictory AI, and 11 Labs. Some tools impressed me immediately. Some tools struggled. And one tool completely changed how I work. By the end of the experiment, I realized something surprising about the future of work. But before we get to the results, let's start with day 1. Day 1. Letting AI plan my day. The first step was replacing my daily planning process. Normally, I start the day by creating a to-do list, checking emails, reviewing deadlines, and planning what tasks need to be completed. This process usually takes 30 minutes. Instead, I open ChatGPT. I ask the AI to create a productivity schedule. I explain the tasks I usually perform: writing content, researching topics, producing videos, answering emails. Within seconds, the AI created a structured daily workflow: morning tasks, afternoon tasks, evening tasks. It even suggested productivity techniques like batching tasks and automation. Normally, planning requires thinking about priorities, but the AI produced a structured schedule almost instantly. This was the first moment the experiment started to feel powerful. However, planning is the easy part. The real challenge was replacing actual work. Day 2. Can AI replace writing? Writing is one of the most time-consuming tasks in online work. Blog posts, video scripts, emails, social media captions. So for the second day, I replaced all writing with AI. I began by asking ChatGPT to generate a blog post outline. The topic was productivity tools for entrepreneurs. Within seconds, the AI generated a structured article: introduction, 5 detailed sections, and a conclusion. Then I asked the AI to expand each section. The result was a full article draft in less than 5 minutes. Normally, writing an article like that could take 1 or 2 hours. Of course, the AI content still required editing, but the majority of the work was done. Next, I tested AI for email writing. Instead of typing an email manually, I wrote a short prompt describing the message. The AI generated a complete email: polite, professional, clear. This saved an incredible amount of time. But writing is only one part of content creation. Videos require visuals, and that was the focus of day 3. Day 3. Can AI create videos? Creating videos normally takes several hours. Writing the script, collecting visuals, editing clips, adding subtitles. So on third day, I attempted to replace the entire video creation process with AI. I opened Pictory AI. Instead of editing clips manually, I pasted a script into the platform. The AI automatically analyzed the text. Then it selected stock footage clips, added subtitles, and created a video timeline. Within minutes, the platform generated a full video. Normally, editing a video like that might take 2 or 3 hours. But the AI completed the entire process in less than 15 minutes. For faceless YouTube channels, this kind of automation is incredibly powerful. But videos still require narration, which led to the next test. Day 4. Can AI replace voiceovers? Recording voiceovers usually requires microphones, quiet rooms, and sometimes multiple attempts. Instead, I tested 11 labs. I pasted the script into the tool. Then I selected a voice style. Within seconds, the AI generated a natural-sounding narration. The voice sounded surprisingly human. It had natural pauses, realistic tone, and clear pronunciation. For many viewers, it would be almost impossible to tell that the voice was generated by AI. This was one of the most impressive tools in the experiment. But visuals are still extremely important for content. So the next step was testing AI design. Day 5. Can AI design graphics? Design tasks appear everywhere in digital work. Thumbnails, social media graphics, presentation slides. Instead of designing manually, I used Canva with AI features. I typed a description for a YouTube thumbnail. The AI generated several design options, different layouts, color schemes, and font styles. Normally, designing a thumbnail requires experimentation, but the AI created multiple designs instantly. This dramatically reduced the time required for design tasks. But research is another major part of productivity, and that was the focus of Day 6. Day 6. Can AI replace research? Research usually requires opening multiple websites, reading articles, comparing information. Instead, I tested Perplexity AI. Perplexity works like an AI-powered research assistant. Instead of just providing links, it summarizes information and includes sources. For example, I searched for information about artificial intelligence trends. Within seconds, the AI produced a clear explanation, and it cited multiple sources. This dramatically reduced research time. But the final test of the experiment involved automation. Day 7. Automating work. The final day focused on automation. I tested Zapier. Zapier connects apps together. For example, it can automatically send information from one platform to another. If someone fills out a form on a website, Zapier can automatically save the data to a spreadsheet, send a confirmation email, and notify the team, all without manual work. Automation removed many repetitive tasks, which made the workflow much smoother. Final results. After 7 days of testing AI tools, the results were fascinating. Artificial intelligence did not completely replace my work, but it dramatically reduced the time required for most tasks. Writing tasks became faster. Video production became automated. Design work became easier. Research became instant. And repetitive tasks disappeared through automation. Instead of replacing human workers, AI acted like a powerful assistant, helping complete work faster and more efficiently. This might actually represent the future of work. Humans focusing on creativity and decision-making, while AI handles repetitive tasks. Artificial intelligence tools are evolving faster than ever. Every year, new platforms appear that change how we work. Those who learn to use these tools early will have a massive advantage, because the future of productivity will be powered by AI. If you enjoyed this experiment, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI tools and technology content. And I have one question for you. Would you trust AI to handle your daily work? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.